Hey guys, and welcome to your 7th lecture. Today we are going to be covering files and input and output files in Java programming. So let's get started. We're first going to discuss a concept of packages. So in Java you can import Java packages that will give you all access to functions like math. Like let's say you needed to do finding like the square root of a number, or you needed to find the log of a number. You would have to import a Java package to be able to do that, and same with strings. So you're going to need to know this for the future. So one of the basic ones to import, you do import java.io, and this is going to contain almost every class needed for input and output methods in Java. So let's talk about streams. Streams are defined as a sequence of data. There's input streams, which is used to read data from a source, and output streams, which is used for writing data to a destination. So here's a photo. We have a source, the program, destination. So that's the order that it goes in. So there are some standard streams. Today we are going to be talking about input in this lecture. Next lecture we will be focusing on output, but I did want to touch bases on them in this lecture just so you guys knew. So we have standard input used to feed the data by the user's program. So you use system.in. That's if you kind of want someone to type something that's going to be put into your program. Then there's standard output, which is used to output the produced data by the user's program. So again, you use system.out. And then there's standard array, used to output an array of data produced by the system's program, and that you can do system.er. So why don't we do some coding? So if I am going to open up here, I have created a file. It is called copy file. I've imported the I/O for the input and output package. So again here you're going to import java.io.star. So in this program you are going to see some things you haven't seen before, and that is okay. Here we have a try catch block. I don't know why that says finally, which should say catch. We'll see what happens. But it actually might be finally. We will put it back. We will see what happens. So here we are going to have our input stream reader set to null. We are going to ask the user here by using system.in to enter in a sequence of characters, so sentences, and then once we're done, so once we want them to not do it, we want them to type in the letter E, and it's going to prompt the user these types of instructions, and then we also want to read whatever the person has wrote. We want to reprint it out. So this is what this is doing. So we're going to try this, and if it doesn't do that, we are going to exit, and we are going to close the thing, and it's going to be over. Now there's also just on the top here this throws exception, and we will be covering exceptions in the next, not the next video, but the video after, so don't worry about it. So let's see what happens when we run our program. Hold on. Whoops, copy. Give it a minute. Okay, so let's see. Now you do have to watch what I'm doing here. So it says, it prompts the user, enter characters, E to quit. So let's go, hey, what's up? Now what do you think is going to happen when I hit enter? It's going to reprint it out. Oh, I typed in the letter E. My bad. Okay, let's try this again. One more time. We're not going to put E's. Hi. How is it going? See, it's going to reprint it again, and because we didn't type the letter E, it asked me again to print another sentence. So, hey, again, works again. Cat, dog, it's going to reprint and keep prompting. So let's do hey. So now I have an E. It's not going to reprint it out because we've indicated the program to quit, so it's going to exit out of there and exit the program. So that's really good, really fun. Let's go back to the slides here. I've added in my code again if you need to review it. That's all here. So reading and writing files. So you're going to have an object. It splits into either an input stream and output stream. And this is where here is getting the data in, and this is outputting the data. So this is just a good diagram to know, just to understand what is happening inside it. So for the file input stream, this is used for reading data from files. So objects can be created to store values of the input file, and how you're going to do that is you're going to say input stream X equals new file input stream, and then the location of the file. So I have, it's under the folder Java, and it's called Hello World. So this is going to take the file object to create an input stream object to be able to read the file. So there is an easier way. So if I say file X equals new file, and then I have the same thing, then I'm going to say input stream equals new input stream X equals new file input stream X. So it's going to take this X from here, put it in there. So it does the same thing. So just as a little summary, we talked about today of the different types of streams, how to input a file, how to get what the user is writing, and yes, again, the different types of streams. So please, I did forget to say at the beginning of the video, please try and do the pre and post quiz, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.